What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is kind of a gloomy day, so I'm gonna hit up some basic stuff. I'm gonna show you a real quick video of how to take off a front bumper. Shot this video probably last week. Not too hard to do, real basic, but if you don't know how to do that, here's a real quick video on how to do that. So now that you're all caught up and know where we're at, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this issue. So we've got the leftover holes in the front bumper. From far away, you really can't tell that they're there, but they're there, and close up you see them, and it's annoying. So the fun part about it is that the bolts they put in to put the license plate on were 1/2 inch, so it's a little bigger than normal. And I was just gonna use a normal body clip from like AutoZone. There's really no need for that big of a hole to hold a license plate holder on, but you know, whatever. We're just gonna kind of do a quick move here. Now there's holes, now there's no holes. So next thing on the list is going to be, so I got some tire marker from AutoZone, Type S, I guess is the brand that makes this. Kind of what it looks like. If you guys haven't noticed in the pictures, so I got the white. We're gonna need a lot more white than I will need red, so I got 2 of those. But I kind of started doing this last summer when I got the car, and it just kind of adds a nice look to it. They've got permanent lettering, permanent letters that you can add to the tires, like glue on. Isn't a bad idea. I thought about looking into it, and I still probably will. I do like the look of the lettering being colored in, and today I'm gonna kind of show you guys the result of using the marker. Now on this here, this was Sharpie marker. So as you can tell, and obviously this was last summer, and I've driven around a couple times since then. So I just got those Sharpie markers from like Michael's, just any kind of go cheap with it. The ones at AutoZone were about $14. So I'm gonna check these guys out. With the Sharpie markers, they last about 2 weeks, and then you have to reapply it or redo it so it still stays fresh. I've never tested out these guys before, so I'm gonna test these guys out today and then kind of give you guys an idea of how long it lasts before I have to redo it again. So let's check them out. So here's the end result. What's up, guys? So it's been a couple days now. I've let it dry. I did put 2 coats on, so that's gonna give it a little extra longevity, I guess. Let me just give you a quick clip of what it looks like standing still, and then I'll give you a quick rolling clip of what it looks like while I'm driving. All right, so if you're coming up to the car, here you go. You've got, you know, it's not perfect. The one thing I don't like about the tire markers from AutoZone is that they don't have like a sharp, a fine tip. or point version for it. It's just the fat marker, which kind of stinks, but so like you don't get a more defined look to it. It's a little bit messier, so that kind of sucks. But the Sharpie marker works fine. Like I said, it lasts me about 2 weeks. We'll see how long this lasts. I don't drive it as much as I did when I used the Sharpie marker, so it might last a little bit longer because of that. But yeah, for a quick, you know, cheap tire like modification, I guess, it's not too bad, especially if you're using Sharpie markers that are like $3 or $4 per marker. At AutoZone it was like $14, so it's kind of expensive for the actual tire markers. But that's just kind of what it looks like standing still. Let me give you the rolling clip. Hey, if you guys liked it, just make sure to let me know down in the comments. Smash that like button and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more.